Here is a majorette Imperial train wreck from 1970. As I said, it is a train wreck, as you can see. The sides are coming apart. That's coming apart. I just held them in with packing tape. And now this isn't the original tone arm. I did have two other tone arms on here, but I kept breaking the needles off. So I'm like, what tone arm could I put on here? Oh, I had this really cool looking symphonic metal tone arm, which I love. I love this design. I just do. And that I had on that Emerson record player. I Jake legged it off of there, threw it on here, and I have an 89T in here, so it has plenty of output. And it's pretty distorted though. It uses the old BSR mechanism. I'll go ahead and show you a bit what it looks like. And since I'm not going to put any money into this, I just hot glued it because because one of the rivet was shot. But yeah, and this was where it could have had the DC motor in it, but it doesn't. It has a nice a traditional AC motor. And why can't I get this? This motor needs to be cleaned or replaced. But so yeah, I'll go ahead and demonstrate it on 78. I have my fan out here because it feels like it's May, but it feels like summer. And I'll go ahead and turn this lever. Well, it's shot. Oh no, it's not. It's just I need to angle this correctly. Sorry for the wind noise.
Hearing those jingles around the road, shingles like pennies, nickels, and dimes. Though it's known that all I own is not alike.
Okay. Do I have that? This ebb tide. Let me flip it back over. That's how I have it wired. I just simply kind of did the clips. Here's one that was popular in the 60s. It's The Stripper by David Rose. Okay, now I'll demonstrate another 45. Some more. It'll be a vocal one.
The party was jumping when Bertha got off of her stump. The whistles were blowing and everybody did the ball. And a goodies.